It's pretty cool, really. Ideas that were once thought to be straight out of science fiction are now at our fingertips today. Take touchscreens, for example. They're in our cell phones, our computers, our tablets, and even our refrigerators. New ideas are refreshing. Advanced technology, easy to use, making our lives better. It's a simple idea. And it's the concept behind the Arrow touchscreen deadbolt. The Arrow touchscreen deadbolt is so easy to use, we could have left the instructions out of the box. Because most of us don't bother to read instructions anyway. And it's so intuitive, it actually walks you through, it talks you through the setup process.
Menu mode, enter number.
In a few short steps, you can
Automatic relock. Enable.
The Arrow Revolution touchscreen deadbolt is a smarter, tougher, easier solution. And best of all, this technology, it isn't science fiction. It's here. How do you combine security, convenience, and affordability into one innovative package? Introducing the Arrow Revolution push-button lock. Revolution, you never have to issue a single key. This eliminates the risk of keys being lost, not returned, or worse, copied. With the privacy feature, you never need to worry about someone walking in during inopportune times. A simple press of the button allows you to lock down the keypad until the door is unlocked from the inside. You can also lock out any individual user code whenever you wish. This strengthens your security by allowing you to control access, while the affordable push-button interface helps you control your budget. Arrow hits the mark with this state-of-the-art push-button technology. It's a security solution that pushes all the right buttons. Join the revolution. Learn more or order today at arrowrevolution.com. Arrow Revolution touchscreen deadbolt is a game changer. Security meet technology. Science fiction meet science fact. Affordability, let me introduce you to innovation. With Arrow technology, you don't have to give out multiple keys. This eliminates the risk of keys being lost, not returned, or worse, copied. With the privacy feature, you never need to worry about someone walking in during inopportune times. A simple press of the button allows you to lock down the keypad until the door is unlocked from the inside. And programming is so easy, anyone can do it, using voice-prompted instructions and a very intuitive menu. But with this ease, you also get control. You can lock out any individual user code whenever you wish, and even program in languages other than English.
Modo en español.
The Arrow Revolution touchscreen deadbolt is a smarter, tougher, easier solution. Best of all, this technology, it isn't science fiction. It's here. Arrow Revolution touchscreen lock combines a cylindrical lock set with modern touchscreen technology. It makes day-to-day access effortless. And with Revolution's voice-guided programming, updating access privileges has never been easier. Revolution is ideal for a wide variety of applications: management offices, patient record storage, storerooms, staff lounges, anywhere that requires reliable, secure, controlled access is an ideal place for Revolution. As you know, Arrow is committed to providing dependable, durable, reliable security solutions. And Revolution is no exception. But how durable is Revolution? Let's find out. How about a little water pressure? In fact, how about 1750 psi? Okay, now I had a good idea that this was going to work because there's a weather-resistant seal all the way around it. It's moisture-resistant. Certified grade 2 UL listed product. This is a top-of-the-line technology that you're looking at right here. How about a little fire on it? Let's see what this takes. Now, this is something you would not do to your standard door lock. All right, now I got to give it a little time to cool down, so let's see. Still very warm, but it still works. This thing is pretty amazing. It's got a UL listing for use on fire doors, and it comes with a 3-year warranty, not just on the mechanical parts, but on the electronics behind it as well. Okay, we've taken a pressure washer to this, and we've also put a blowtorch on it. And now it's time to see how much pressure it can actually withstand with a crowbar here. So here we go. Man. Wow, now I just beat the heck out of this and it's still turned on. Hang on one second. Good gracious, still working, still locking and unlocking. We've taken a pressure washer to this. We've also hit it with a blowtorch. I've beaten it with a crowbar and yet it still works. Now we're going to try a scratch resistant test to see how it stands up against a grinder. Now that is just outstanding. We've put this thing through a number of tests, and we're going to put it through one final test, and that is subjecting it to sub-freezing temperature. So let's see if this thing still works. Now that is absolutely amazing. It still locks and unlocks. What do you got to do to break this thing? Whew. Let's see. I didn't touch it. Let's see if it turns on. Well, sure enough, it does. Let's see if it still opens. That is amazing. It still opens and locks.